Overlooking Shoal Bay, breathtaking views define this stunning 6th floor apartment, which is positioned on the top floor of Breakwater, the residential tower at the Ramada Resort. The large balcony offers space to dine and lounge, all the while taking in the incredible vista. Inside, the large lounge room shares an open-plan space with the dining area, which adjoins the balcony. The dining space is serviced by a generous-sized, well-equipped kitchen with granite benchtops. The 223-metre-squared apartment has 3 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and ducted air conditioning. There are 2 car spaces and a storeroom in the secure parking area, plus a separate boat garage. Being an owner, you will also have access to Breakwater's fully appointed residence lounge and function area, plus separate pool and spa. The Ramada Resort facilities are accessible to you also, including indoor spas, fine dining restaurant, and casual eateries. Whether you're looking for a lifestyle investment or permanent residence, this stunning apartment will offer you the luxurious lifestyle you deserve.